Testing 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna see how this goes. I'm gonna try to record some audio and some video. Just got to eat. See how it goes. Wish me luck. Oh, what a day. I hadn't tried the audio. I don't know how long it'll record on the voice recorder on the phone, or how well it'll pick up. But we shall see. How this goes. Welcome to South Georgia. While the weather's playing nice, I wanted to jump out here and try to do some audio and video recording. People are scared to drive. I made it. Oh shit. What you doing? Funeral. Well, Godspeed. It is really warm today. "95 degrees. Like I said, I don't know how well or how long the audio will record. I'm recording it to my phone. Try to sync it with the video. I didn't do it on my previous test because I'm redneck. But do I used to ride a bicycle when I was 15 years old, back and forth to work along this stretch of road. It don't look like it on the video, but this is a hill that dips down and it goes back up. It's about a 4-mile ride each way. So I have to do a whole lot of dead air recording until I get myself figured out. So we'll see how well the audio turns out on this segment of footage here. Moved back here in 1986 in a little bitty house right down there. This is Interstate 75. That's north. That's south. That's me. I don't know how much I'm going to jump into actually capturing a lot of footage, but I'm going to give it a go. And if this audio ain't no good, I guess I'll have to step up my game for this too. I didn't set up the rear camera this time because I'm trying to focus on the audio and thinking it fit the GoPro. Because I hadn't figured out how to mesh the audio from the ASMAX D1 that I'm using now. That was actually voted on Rainy Rider channel for me to be selected to receive it so I could actually communicate with my fellow riders in group rides. I don't have to be using a whole bunch of hand signals. Okay, Mustang. Are you want me to blow by you? Because I'm fixing to turn. How much you wanting? Well, you got a veteran tag on there. You might be a disabled veteran, and if you are, my hat's off to you. A lot of times it's not the stars that are visible on it the most. As we all know, our gas passenger steering wheel, he decided 4th of July weekend he was going to move on to new adventures, and I hope he does well with that. All I wanted is my brother to find his own path back to life. We've all had an unbearable amount of tragedies befall us unexpectedly. Another thing, when I was a teenager, this little straight road here been repaved over the years, so the remnants and reminders of our late night escapade, you know, street racing, they would be conducted on this here. This is called Dasher Road. And September this past year, as we all know, the grass is growing back in. It's surviving. Taking it a while, but it's coming back in. As I practice my slow race. Yes, Sterling, that was for you, to give you a reminder that even through tragedy, life finds a way, bro. right here. I don't know if the camera will pick it up. It's a whoop. And another whoopsie. Whee! Right in the road. Been there for 40 years. We'll see how this goes. I've been avoiding the motovlog thing since I started my channel. And if this turns out crappy, you may be witnessing this, you may not. I may share my evolution just to show people that there's always room for improvement. There's still so many things to improve on. That little building right there, as we're coming into the little town of Dasher, Georgia, that used to be the Dasher jail back in the early 1900s, late 1800s, early 1900s. Holy cow. People are actually being nice. Train track. That exhaust. Woo. The heat is there. People. The Rainwater Children's Home. They're part of a church group called Rain Tree Village, and they also help with orphan children, children neglected as well. Sort of similar to Forgotten Angels, other than they work with children that are under the age of 18. Even in this little community of Dasher, Georgia, things that are popping up all over the country. They've even got one right here by the city park. And yes, folks, I'm talking about a roundabout. Yay! Let's do this. And there's the little Dasher Museum. And that's an actual homestead that was saved and restored, and they use as their museum. City Park had to be rebuilt after Hurricane Helene. Community Center, Dasher City Hall, the red, white, and blue. This is Highway 41. And I can yield and nobody coming. Oh, there's a lot of accidents that's happened right here at this intersection, and one of the most recent ones was somebody in a cage. Not that debris there, but somebody in a cage actually hit somebody on a motorcycle. I didn't know the person. I wasn't a part of it. I come up one day after it happened. You can't trees. crashed on a bike. No name on it, unmarked. Not just turmoil, but someone had to let their life doing what they love until circumstances brought it about either. To get a first-hand look from my POV about this lovely 1 mile stretch of dirt road that my brother Sterling wheel just absolutely petrified of. And I've been riding in and out this dirt road on 2 wheels for 13 years now. And that's the hardest part, when neighbors are coming out and I have to stay over as far as I can. And it's washboard, so the friction zone in the rear brake really test my skills. Oh, they're not. They're waiting on me. Look at that. Stop and wait. Look at that. So many nice people. Who would have thought in South Georgia people would be considered people on 2 wheels? Golly, I hope this audio comes. I ain't gotta worry about the clippings. I'm on third anyhow. But yeah. This ain't dirt, this is pure sand. And that looks like soybeans.